Hey, this is Todd Imeson from Imeson's Prints. We're just going to go through here and show you guys how we do it step by step, how we print a shirt. As you see, we're going to be doing a two-color print here. We already got them printed out, and what it is after it's going to look like that when we're done. It'll be on one shirt. This will be red and the rest will be black. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we got to kill the lights because we have to have a light safe room. So bear with the darkness for a little bit. Okay, so what we're going to, hope you guys can see. Okay, let's move these out of the way. Over here. What we do, we're going to grab some screens. Okay. See, we already put the immersion on them, the pink. They're ready to go. They were blank screens. So what we do is we flip this upside down. And we also need a 110 screen, which is here. Okay, so here's the other screen for the other one. Alright, so what we're going to do is, this is the 110, so the red would be taped on here, and we tape them on backwards, reverse. So you see how they're like this. Oh, there's stuff on them. So we take and flip them upside down, and we tape them like that. So let me grab my tape. We're just going to go through one screen here. We're going to do both here on the video. Just to show you guys how we do it. And then we'll pause and then we'll show you the next step, what we do. Okay, so now what we do is we flip it over on this machine right here. We put it like that. It's on there. We take this black screen, gotta back up just a little bit so I can get in there, cool. Alright, I gotta get right there. Then we add some 45 pounds of weight to press the image in is what we're gonna do. Okay, so from there, then we just turn the machine on, going dark, so go ahead and pause it. Alright, hey guys, got the image burned in. Here's the first screen, and we're going to go ahead and take this all off. And then we're going to bring the image out. So, nope. Don't open the door. Okay, we just take these off. And then this screen's ready to go. Alright, we're just going to set that over there. Alright. Now we're going to take it. As you can see, the screen's just blank, but the image is there. So now we gotta get the image to come out. It's starting to come out a little bit. You can see it. I'm gonna hit it with the back side a little bit. Flip it again. Okay. Just a little bit right there on that S. Okay, and I think, well, it looks like the MG needs a little bit more hitting right there in the center. There. That's the first. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean out the other string. And then we're going to go ahead and pause here, and then we'll show you how we print the shirts. Hey, this is Todd from Imus Printing, getting ready to do a shirt. I told the guy only one color prints, but you know that was my bad, so we're going to go ahead and do a 2-color print on here. So because that's the way he wanted it done. So as you can see, we got quite a few here shirts. So we got quite a few shirts to do. So what we're going to do, we're going to try printing out the first one here. I'm going to float it back up.
A little bit more.
I think we'll hit that one more time. Right back up. Okay, and
yep.
that looks good. Now we're going to go to the red. We already got the ink flooded. Okay, I think we got a match in heaven there. Looks good. I think we hit it one more time with red now.
Looks good.
Okay.
Don't touch it. Let me do it. Okay.
And then we're gonna video it going in the dryer. Okay. All right. So we're gonna do another shirt. We have 10 of these to do. So here we go.
That one looks good. There's the next
Good.
one.
We'll go down to the next one. Oh, shit. You do off contact. Guess we don't need to do off contact. Okay. That looks good. Alright. We're going to go ahead and put it on the dryer. And it's going to go through the dryer there. That's curing the ink. It was the first one we did. We got 10 more to go, or 8 more to go. So, and as you can see, we got that shirt to do still, and that shirt still to do, and then a few other shirts. So anyway, here it comes. It's coming out. Go ahead and grab that. You all good? Mm-hmm. All right. Hey, we're back, and hey, we got the order, 10 shirts for MGS Concrete. Their order's done. So now that's these 2 strains. We're going to go ahead and spin around to this one right here. And this is it right here, and this is for another client. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and flood it. Okay. And here we go. Let's see how this shirt turns out. Flood it again. Shit, I'm supposed to do it on that pallet over there. Worked out perfect anyway. Okay, we're gonna go. Yeah, I had it signed up for that.
Do it one more time. That's it. Yeah, the red turned out really good on this one.
I'm gonna
Where's
go
that
ahead and
orange?
hit it one more time. Just to be on the safe side. Okay, and there it is. You grab it from behind. Oops, sorry guys. So, he's going to put it in the dryer.
Don't make a klutzy move like I just
You watch
made.
out for the G.
I know.
So this is what we're doing, is we're curing the ink here. That's good. And then it comes out over here. It hasn't been charging at all. It says it's not low. Okay, and there's the shirts coming out. Push that back shadow. Okay, go ahead and grab it. And he's going to fold it. And we're going to see what it looks like after we're done. Here we go. Okay. Hold it up so I can see it. There it is. Alright guys, that's it. You guys want any shirts done, contact me. You got any business logos, whatever. We still got one more shirt. We're going to have to do that one there and then another on this one and then we're done. So we're out. Imeson's Printing, and what do you say, Kobe?
And we're out.
We're out.